Welcome back to my channel. This is Kevin Solo Record. Today we are going to unbox Mi Band 6. This is appearance of Mi Band 6 box. Okay, let's see the Mi Band 6 feature. AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, stress monitoring, and menstrual cycle data tracking, workout detection, water resistance up to 50 meter, and magnetic charging. Let's open it. That's all inside the box. This is a cable charger for magnetic charging. Manual book. Last but not least, here it is, the Mi Band 6. The magnetic is so strong, it starts charging. When the first time you turn on the device, you need to pair it with the handphone using the Bluetooth. This is the main menu. Okay, let's try the Mi Band 6 function, blood oxygen saturation monitoring. Stress level monitoring. It's a moderate stress level. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.